So chapter number 12, first exercise 12.1, we have to find the maximize at z 3x plus 4y. For constructing the equation x plus y less than equals to 4, x is greater than equals to 0 and y is greater than equals to 0. So when we are going to solve the solution at that time, we have to check whether the given equation justify means they hold true or not. So simple सा condition है. We have the first equation x plus y is less than equals to 0. ये हुआ. But हमें क्या consider करना है? This one is as a inequality. But we have to consider as a equation. So x plus y is equals to 4. Then you have to find the solution for the 2 points. Only 0, 0. So first solution x, y. When x is 0, at that time the solution of y. When y is 0, that time solution of x. So when x is 0, y 4, y 0, then x 4. So now for the checking of inequality, x plus y is less than equals to 4. So x is 0, y is 0, less than equals to 4. So 0 is less than equals to 4.
Yes,
Inequality hold true.
yes, sir.
Inequality hold true. Therefore, shaded area toward origin. If inequality is not true, then shaded area is away from the origin. And for the next equation, x is greater than equals to 0. So this one represent x-axis. And for y is greater than equals to 0, this one represent y-axis. Now, if we talk about the solution on a graph, so this one is the graph. So we need the point from 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. This side -1, -2. Now for the first solution when x is 0 and y is 0. So our first point 0, 4. So this is the 0, 4. The next point is 4, 0. So on x-axis 4, 0. Now draw the graph. So if we talk about the inequality, that the shaded area is toward the origin, and it is also bounded with the x-axis and y-axis. So simply we can write here, this one is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis. And the shaded area toward origin. So this one is the solution. Now to find the maximum Z. So first we have to find the corner of feasible area. Feasible area means bounded area. So we have this one as a bounded area. So it has three corners. First corner is a origin. Then next corner is a point A that we have taken 4, 0. And this one is the point B. So we will write here corner point of feasible area are A 4, 0, B 0, 4 and O 0, 0. Now for those 3 points, we have to find the value of Z, at which point we are getting the Z as a maximum value. So this one is the solution for the feasible area for the corners. At the corner origin 0, 0, when we are using the value of x as a 0 and y is 0, we are getting 0. For the 4, 0, we have the value of 3 into 4 plus 0, that is 12. For the 0, 4, 0 plus 4 into 3. Now the maximum value is 16. So this is the maximum value. So we will write here the maximum value of
सर 4 into 4 होगा ना?
it's 4 into 4. The maximum value is
16.
the maximum
16.
Z is 16 at point 0, 4. So first find the solution for x plus 3y. When x is 0 and when y is 0. If x is 0, y is 1. Y is 0, then x is 3. Now for the 0, 0. So when we are using x0, y0, and then 0 plus 0 is greater than equals to 3, it is not possible. Therefore, shaded area is away from origin. So let's solve second equation, that is x plus y greater than equals to 2. So when x is 0, so that time we have to write x plus y is equals to 2. So if x is 0, y is 2, y is 0, x is 2. Now for the value 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is greater than equals to 2. It is again not true. Therefore, away from origin. Now the remaining two equations are x is greater than equals to 0. So this one represent x-axis, and y is greater than equals to 0. So this one represent y-axis. Now for the first solution, when x is 0, y is 1. So this is the point 0, 1. When x is 3, so this is the point 3, 0. Now the shaded area is away from the origin for the first equation. So this is the area away from origin. Now for the second equation, when we are using x plus y is equals to 2, so we have the point x is equals to 0, 2, first coordinate, 0, 2. So this one. And next is 2, 0. So this one, 2, 0. So this one is the equation of x plus y is equals to 2. And this is the equation of x plus 3y is equals to 3. And now in second case also the shaded area is away from the origin. And bounded with the axis. So this feasible area having the 3 point, first one is, and this A, that is A 3, 0. Now this one is the intersection. So we are taking as a B. So B is intersection of x plus y is equals to 2 and x plus 3y is equals to 3. So we have to find the point. So I'm using a substitution method. So we can simply write from the equation 1, we have y minus 2 as a x, not as a x. X equals to 2 minus y. Now using in second equation. So it become 2 plus 2y 3. So y is equals to 1 by 2. Then x is equals to 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. So this B point means 1 by 3 by 2, comma 1 by 2. Then this one is the point A, B, C. B is 3 comma 2 half, and the point C is 0 comma 2. Now we will write here the feasible area is not bounded. Since feasible area is not bounded, therefore maximum point is not possible. So for finding the minimum solution, we will find the solution at the corner point. So now we are having the 3 corner points A, B, and C. So we have to write the value of Z at the corner point. So these are the 3 corners point, and we are getting a smallest value at the point B, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, 7. So we'll write here Z has a minimum value seven at B, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. In question number 7, we have Z maximize 5x plus 10y. And the first equation is inequality. So this one is the first equation. Now find the solution at 0, 0. When x is 0, y is 60. When y is 0, x is 120. Now we will check for the point 0, 0. It is true. Therefore, shaded area toward origin. Now let's see the second equation. When x is 0 and y is 0, so x plus y it is not true. Therefore, in second case, shaded area this is the 60. Shaded area away from origin. Then the third equation, so x minus 2y is equals to 0. X, y. When x is 0, y is also 0. When y is 0, X is also 0. For 0, 0. So we can simply say it is a passing from the origin so we can write here it is true. Therefore, shaded area toward origin, or you can write as toward the axis. Now the remaining two equations are x greater than equals to 0 and y is greater than equals to 0. So these are representing x and y axis. So let's see the graphical representation. This is the graphical representation of four equations. So when we are combining these first two equations, they are toward the origin and one is away from the origin. So here toward origin and from this line away from the origin. और यहाँ से toward the origin means toward the axis. So final intersection area will be this one. So in this quadrilateral, you have to find the corner points. So it has 4 corner points. So let's find the solution or value of z at the corner points A, B, C, D. So when you write the corner points are this one. Now we are getting the two maximum value at two different points. So the maximum value is always 600, but the point we are getting 600 is 120, 0, and the second is 30, 60. That is the intersection of two lines, this C. So we will write here maximum value will be 600 at point B 120, 0 and C 60, 30. So this is the first exercise of the linear programming, where you have to find the first feasible area, and then we will find either the maximum point, that means the maximum value at which point we are getting the maximum, and the minimum value. So for finding the maximum minimum value, first we have to find the corner points that are the boundary of the shaded area. So in examination, this question will be asked in 5 marks question, and the one question is compulsory from this chapter. As the pattern it changes. So students, I hope you like the video, and I request you to subscribe, and if you have any doubt you can comment in Q&A section.